Hey you guys, so welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are doing our nails with a 2x4. What? Before I go anywhere with this video, let's get into it because we're gonna try it. And baby, we're gonna try it because if one thing about me and doing these nail hacks is we gonna try it. Period. So let's get into this video. I hope you guys enjoy. I love y'all so much, and always remember I'm doing this for you guys, or maybe for me, who knows. Love you guys. See you in the next video coming very soon. Mwah.
Wait for me, girl. Yeah, 'cause now you did cross my mind.
Alright you guys, going into this hack, I'm going to be using the Dollar Tree nail tips. These are from Sassy and Chic. I have so many packs that I open for different videos, so that is why they're just thrown in a sandwich baggie, but it's just easier to just throw them in there and then find them. But these are from the Dollar Tree. They're either Sassy or Chic, but I know they changed their name to Be Color. Now these are my favorite nail tips from the Dollar Tree, hands down, you guys. Hands down, love these nail tips, for real, for real.
And if God is my witness, now you be my weakness, my no be bus. See you don't bless me. Not true, no be ghost ride. If they say I didn't listen, babe, you're the one that I'm missing, girl, and my darling, would you?
Once I got done filing my nails, I just went in and started to prep them. You can do this with a nail drill. I am using a nail file, but if you have a nail drill, then I definitely recommend that as well because it's a lot easier to prep. But if you are a beginner, I would say go with the nail file first so that way you can learn it and then know how to use the nail drill. And I'm also going to just go in and glue my nail tips. I'm actually not going to be using a brush on nail glue. I'm just going to be using a bottled nail glue today because it is actually wood shavings that I'm using from a 2x4, and I want them to like grip on really good. And when I use brush on nail glue, it tends to not like grip all the product, so I need it to grip all the product. That is why I'm using this one. But then I'm just going to go in and I'm going to cut them to my desired length and shape and do all that good stuff. And then we're going to go in with the dip process of the wood shavings.
It's for somebody special. Yeah, can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight. Yeah, can't believe it's so. Yeah, 20 nights been so. Baba don't lose composure. Yeah, girl, my champion lover. Would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, 'cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, yeah, give me coach. Yeah, give me coach. Yeah, to get me back to you. Give me coach. Yeah, give me coach. Nah, give me coach. Yeah.
Alright you guys, I'm going to go in with the wood shavings. My husband actually gave me some of the wood shavings that he's been using at mom's house. If you guys don't know, we have a vlog channel and he vlogs construction and stuff on our vlog channel sometimes. And this is wood shavings that he's been using at mom's house, like cutting up wood and stuff. So he was like, do you want some? You can have some. I'm like, yes, let's do it. So I'm just going to be doing the dip process. And the great thing about these wood shavings is that it literally took only 2 dips to get them the thickness that I needed, you guys. Not only that, I had to use gel to fill in just the ridges because it is super, like, it's very clumpy. So you got to make sure, and you also see me using a nail drill in this hack because it was horrible to file with just a regular nail file. I had to use a nail drill.
It's for somebody special. Yeah, can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight. Yeah, can't believe it's so. Yeah, 20 nights been sober. Baba don't lose composure. Yeah, girl, my champion lover. Would you wait for me?
But once I got done, I'm just going to shape and file, and I'm also going to use the nail drill to thin them out, one, because they were super thick, and also smooth them out. They still had a little bit of ridges, but they came out really, really nice because of the gel polish. Gel polish is very thick, which is good for this hack because the thickness of the gel polish mainly hides all the imperfections that this hack has. Being that it is wood shavings, you have to fill it in. It's not very fine, so you'll be able to fill it in. You have to fill it in with other things like glue, gel polish, regular polish. So I avoided using regular polish so that way I can get that thickness from the gel in order to fill in these nails, because they were not trying to have it like at all. It was not trying to do what it's got to do. But I got it done and they smoothed out. I did have to file like a lot. I had to use this nail drill really, really good and like file all the way down. They were a little bit thin, but at the end with the actual top coat and gel polishes, they actually came out really, really nice. It's not something that I would wear outside, but they came out really, really nice at the end of the day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little hack, and this is going to be a series on this channel. So if you want to see me do anything with any product, definitely leave a comment down below of what you want me to try next, and I will get that out to you guys. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next videos.
It's for somebody special. Yeah, can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight. Yeah, can't believe it's so. Yeah, 20 nights been sober. Baba don't lose composure. Yeah, girl, my champion lover. Would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, yeah, give me coach, yeah, give me coach, yeah, to get me back to you. Give me coach, yeah, give me coach, nah, give me coach, yeah, to get me back to you. Cannot deny it's a ghost. And if God is my witness, now you be my weakness. My no be boss. See Oluwa don't bless me. Not true, no be ghost right. If they say I didn't listen, babe, you're the one that I'm missing, girl. And my darling, would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, coach, nah, coach, yeah, get me back to you. Oh, nah, coach, nah, coach, yeah, to get me back It's for somebody special. Yeah, can't wait it out tonight.